New bridge being built to last. Crews have been working to make the Sanibel Causeway more resilient.
2.5 years ago, Hurricane Ian knocked down the causeway, washed parts of it away. The images of it collapsed in the water left a lot of people in Southwest Florida stunned. Wake News reporter Jillian Haggerty shows us how it's been built back to make sure that that never happens again.
The Sanibel Causeway, the only way on and off the island, is making strides to not only restore but reinforce it against future storms.
This causeway is built to sustain, right, another Hurricane Ian. So a powerful hurricane of that magnitude, if that were to occur again, it will come as no surprise. And so when you talk about resiliency and sustainability, this bridge is prepared for it.
And how do you prepare a bridge for the next hurricane? Well, I asked the Director of Public Information for the Florida Department of Transportation, Janella Newsom, who explains the changes.
Several layers of protective sheet pile walls, and each with a protective concrete cap. Island walls protect the causeway, island's roadway. The seawall protects the bridge approaches. The retaining walls protect the sides of the bridges.
Newsom went over the laundry list of resiliency efforts now in place at the Sanibel Causeway. FDOT and crews are still hard at work, but their work is almost done.
Lee County will be taking over after completion of the FDOT project to complete the Causeway Islands Park and the boat ramp restoration.
As part of the second phase, Lee County plans to rebuild and redevelop recreational amenities on the Causeway Islands, ensuring they're equipped for visitors once again. The county's timeline is unknown until they get their work underway. But until then, FDOT says more paving, drainage, and lighting.
And then all of the resiliency features that have been added, I know they feel much more comfortable and most of all safe. Utilizing the causeway, getting back and forth.
To make sure the Sanibel Causeway will be back stronger than before. On Sanibel, Jillian Haggerty, Wink News.
Lee County calls it an active construction zone, so people should use caution in the area. All recreation activities are not allowed on the causeway at this time. Newsom did say that could change in about 6 months, though, as part of the second phase of the project.